Clabber here, and today we're talking Meld. This is what changes Clabber from a lot of other games. This is a lot of luck, because you could be dealt one of these large melds, changes the outcome of the game quite a bit. Meld, they're all listed right here as on the sheet, are a bonus that you can add to your points at the end when you count up all the points in the deck. So if you get dealt, let's say the jacks, which is called up here the mules, they call it in the game of Clabber, that's 200 points. Let's say your partner gets 100 and you catch all tricks on that, and maybe somebody has a bell. You actually can go out the entire game, get 500 points in one hand. That's pretty lucky. So let's look at the melds and what they all are worth. And remember, the hardest part of this about the meld is that you call this before you play your first card, and you lay it down on the table and show everybody that you have that before you play your second card. Then you pick them up and play your second card. So let's go over the melds. The mules, as we talked about, 200 points. And then on the list, as you can see, anything that's 4 of a kind, that's worth 100 points. Then there's a 50. That's 4 in a row. Then there's a dad, 3 in a row. And we're talking about in a row of the same suit. And then at the very bottom is the bell. Now the bell is called separately than the other ones. You call it when you play the second of either of the two cards, and when you're laying down that card, whether it be the king or the queen, because that has to be the king or queen of the trumps, you call bell on the second card. So these are a little tricky, but it's what makes the game fun, and I hope this helps you play the game a little better. Thank you.